How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and if you couldn't tell, it is Margarita Day once again, and we are celebrating Andrew and Joey's deal. It is not their first deal, however, it had a great story with it, so we wanted to share it. So first off, say hello.
Hi.
Everybody say hello.
Hi.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Hi.
Hello.
All right, so
Hello.
Joey and Andrew are each getting a check for $10,000, and I wanted them to take a second to tell you about how it came about. It is not their first deal, but it was a great story, so I wanted them to tell you about how it came about. So Andrew, I'm going to let you tell them. So starting from get-go, how did you go ahead and get it?
We got this by me going through a few neighborhoods, putting up these on every single door that I passed by. Did it in just various neighborhoods without any rhyme or reason. And then they called.
And then what happened? Joey?
So the seller called and she answered the phone. So what happened?
I answered the phone, I set the appointment, and then Joey went on the appointment.
So I went on the appointment and he had two houses for sale. They're actually right across the street from each other. They were in Suffolk. It was 401 and 400. So they were right across the street from each other. And one of them was very distressed. It was in really rough shape, but one of them was in perfect shape. Really good. The only way he wanted to sell one was to bundle them together. So in my mind, I'm thinking like, ka-ching, it was a gold mine deal. But anyway, so I made an offer to him. He didn't tell me anything. He wouldn't tell me a ballpark offer he wanted. He was like, "You're the real We Buy Houses guy. You make an offer." So I offered $21,000 for both houses, and he looked at me like I was crazy. I was like, "What are you doing?" Like, and I was like, "Okay." I'm like, "So anyways, I'm out here. Like, what do you want for both these houses?" He was like, $27,000. I'm like, my numbers aren't very far off. So I went to the car. I called my beautiful wife, and I was like, "What's for dinner?" Blah blah blah. I made like a 2-minute conversation, and I was like, "Great news! I can meet you at $25,000." He's like, "Deal." So we did it, and I've signed both these properties for $45,000. We made $20,000 off it, all from a little sticky note that cost probably 2-3 cents. It was well worth it. Everyone worked out. My brother Andrew put them out. My wife answered the phone call. Everything worked out perfectly. And that's our story of our sticky note wholesale deal.
That is what I'm talking about. $20,000 from a 3-cent sticky note. That's all it comes down to, is actually taking action and doing what you're supposed to do instead of just thinking about it, actually doing it. That's all we have for you today. I want to thank you for watching this video, and go ahead and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great night.